But we do want to get to a developing story right now. The jury in the Bionca Ellis trial has ended deliberations for the day, less than an hour after it received the case. They're expected to be back in court tomorrow morning at 8:30 to continue those deliberations. Remember, Ellis is accused of stabbing 3-year-old Julian Wood to death and injuring his mother, Margot, outside a North Olmsted Giant Eagle last summer. Our Natalie Clydesdale has been watching closely those arguments today. She's been following the case from day one, in fact. She's in studio with the very latest. This is one of those cases that really, it urges a lot of emotion from people.
That's absolutely right, Christy. And like you said, the jury is expected to be back in to deliberate tomorrow morning at 8:30. And they're now tasked with deciding whether Bionca Ellis was legally insane at the time of the attack. And of course, all 12 jurors must agree. As we've been telling you, Ellis pleaded not guilty by reason of insanity, meaning jurors must decide if she knew that what she was doing on June 3rd of last year was wrong. The final witness to take the stand this morning was forensic psychiatrist Dr. Stephen Knopfsinger. He interviewed Ellis a year after the attack and testified that her actions were deliberate and organized, supporting the state's argument that she was aware of her behavior. Prosecutors say Ellis targeted the victims and carefully planned the attack. However, the defense disagrees, saying she was experiencing a psychotic episode, hearing voices, and didn't understand her actions. Today, both sides made their final pitches to the jury.
There are folks that walk around us each and every day with mental illness, and they don't kill people. No one is disputing that she has been diagnosed with schizophrenia since she was 19.
There was nothing normal about Bionca Ellis on June 3rd. You don't need me to tell you that there was no prior calculation and design as it related to the death of Julian. You see how random she chose them, and that's at a spur of the moment.
Well, jurors went home for the day around 4:30 this afternoon, and there's no telling how long it could take them to reach a verdict.